What is the deadline? आखिरी तारीख क्या है? What is the deadline? I did not mean that. मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था. I did not mean that. Let's make a plan. आइए कोई मंसूबा बनाते हैं. Let's make a plan. I need a short break. मुझे थोड़ी देर का वक्फा चाहिए. I need a short break. Submit it by tonight. इसे आज रात तक जमा करा दें. Submit it by tonight. That's so kind of you. ये आपकी बहुत मेहरबानी है. That's so kind of you. It's not a big deal. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal. I just got home. मैं अभी घर पहुंचा हूं. I just got home. We had a great time. हमारा वक्त बहुत अच्छा गुजरा. We had a great time. Can we talk later? क्या हम बाद में बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk later?